Yes, welcome to another video of R19 Robin, the greatest channel on earth. Yes, in this video I'm giving you guys an update about the garage. Probably already saw it in the title and in the thumbnail. If not, surprise! So I'm giving you guys an update about what's happening now and about the things that are about to come. So I'm gonna explain that today to you guys. I hope you are as excited as I am, cause I can't wait to build the ultimate dream garage where all the freaking sick cars are coming together. Yes, my own Fast and the Furious garage. It's finally happening.
We was you, but I'm out here alone. Bouncing my phone, hoping I'm making home. But he had to sit down, he got caught with the chrome. Was swerving through lanes, but I'm still in my zone. You was never my girl, shawty, stay out my phone. Niggas not like me, they tryna be clones. No, I can't promise I won't do you wrong, because I got problems, can't solve on my own. Come through the crib, we gon' fuck non-stop. Heard these niggas swerving out here looking for the top. I always got product on me, come shot. Later you can stop.
So as you guys see, I parked my car beautifully over here so I can explain everything about what's happening over here. So as you guys can see now, it looks like this. It's pretty all this stuff is still in the way. As you can see, it's all one big mess. It's gotta go within a few days, I hope. That's moving, it's going. So I got more space to put the GTI over here, because now it's sort of halfway under here. This piece, we're gonna extend this piece like I already told you a few months ago. That's also the first thing that we're gonna do. We're gonna extend this all the way to here, so we have an extra space over here. From the pole to the tree, sort of like that. And then I have to dig a hole to put a pole in there, and then we can start to build the roof. And if we build the roof, there's someone that's gonna fix all the stuff that's needed, so the roof is not leaking at all. And when that's done, we're actually gonna go over here, close these walls with some wooden planks or something like that to cover all this up. I actually decided to go with small windows up there above the bushes, because you got a little bit extra natural light over there. I think it's gonna look pretty cool, and it's not gonna be super dark then in my garage when I want to work here or something. So I wanted to have a little bit of natural light. Yeah, so like I said, this is going. A few months ago I told you guys that this wall is going as well, that we're gonna break this down, but we're waiting with that. It's probably going to happen later, but first we're gonna close everything, get some isolating stuff to isolate the walls. Also over here where it's a big mess, my plan was to put a second car if I got a second car over here, but now this is enough for just a GTI, so we'll be alright for quite a while now. We're gonna isolate these walls as well, just like the same as this, so probably gonna break those walls as well. Yeah, it's basically closing everything, isolating the walls and stuff like that. Yes, the roof, I still got some time to think about that. I don't really know. I know a little bit what I want, but not sure for like 100% yet. Maybe give it a nice color or something, probably gonna happen as well. Maybe close the gaps with some planks as well. Hang some nice lamps over there. I haven't decided yet, so if you know something, please leave it in the comments or DM me on Instagram if you have a nice suggestion for that. But probably gonna hang a few nice lamps or something like that. That's my plan for this. The main focus is now to extend that piece over here. Yeah, after that the focus is gonna be closing and isolating. Then we have still a gap over here. We are looking for a garage doors, so if you're living in the Netherlands, Belgium or Germany, I don't know, and you have a garage door that we can use, please let me know. Send me a DM on Instagram or leave it in the comments. And the floors probably gonna be concrete all over the place, maybe some click tiles as well. I haven't decided yet, because yeah, the main focus is still on the walls and extend that piece with a garage door, like I already told you for 3 times now. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. This is just a small update about the garage, about what's going to happen. It's actually going to happen really soon. We already talked to a few people. The people can start for us next week. So I'm actually planning on starting with the garage now. Digging a hole to get a concrete pole or something like that. Closing the walls is gonna be done really soon after that. So expect a lot of things to happen with this garage within a small period of time. I'm really excited for it. Finally we have it in a garage. And my car is not getting dirty. I don't have to wash it like every day now. Can't wait to build the garage. And of course I'm gonna make a video about that for you guys as well. How we build the whole garage. Yeah, just let me know if you want to see everything about building the garage, or you just want to see me driving the GTI. I don't know, just let me know in the comments. I really want to make some videos about building the garage. I think it's pretty cool for you guys as well, because it's still car related. I hope everything is clear now. I hope I explained everything right, and if not, you're probably gonna see it in the next videos. Finally starting, and now I'm done with the talking. Let's go for a drive. Yeah, so I'm now on my way, as you guys can hear. Car still has to warm up, so I have to take it a little bit slowly. But I have to deliver a package, so it was the perfect opportunity to take this car out for a drive. And hear the straight pipe exhaust, just like every video. But yeah, it was the perfect opportunity to take her out for a drive, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. Yeah, I don't know if it's just me, but that's how you deliver a package, in my opinion.
I feel like I feel it on my knees. Shawty, you wanna boot off all the tea. I told Shawty, do what you please.
Yes, I'm back home, guys. I also see that my car needs a service. I have to do that at some point. Actually, I need to do that as soon as possible, because just better for the car. Don't skip your service on the car, because yeah, your car is getting f***ed and it all goes to when you don't do it. So the best tip I can give you today is do your service on your car. That's exactly what I'm gonna do soon. Yeah, that was it for today, guys. I hope I explained everything in this video about the garage. I hope everything is clear now, and I'm actually going to start really soon about building the garage. Stay tuned for that, because I'm probably gonna make a few videos about that. I don't know if you guys like it. If not, well, I have a question for you guys. Do you still enjoy my videos even though I drive around the same roads almost every video? I don't know if you guys like it or not. Maybe some of you guys want to see some different roads, so I can drive to I don't know, maybe another country or something to make some videos for you guys. But yeah, let me know in the comments, guys. I try to change the roads every video, but sometimes I'm just getting on the same roads over and over. I don't know if that's annoying for you guys, so please let me know. And yeah, I think I talked enough for today. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like, also drop a comment, subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on TikTok and Instagram, R90Robbin. And with that having said, guys, houdoe.
White hoe with a white wine in Belize. I feel like I feel it on my knees. Shawty, you wanna boot off all the tea. I told Shawty, do what you please.
Yeah, my car is way more important than my parents' cars are, so that's why I parked it like this. No, I'm joking, it's for the thumbnail.